Hey, Skater Boy 1998 here again, here to show you how to make sparks with a lighter. Just gonna need any handheld, yeah, any bigger or smaller one, or my favorite, Zippo, yeah. Okay, I start off with this one. First, you're gonna want to take this little ring part and grind it up the other way. Okay? There's a flint on the inside, and all you're doing is grinding that up. Then you're going to want to take any lighter. I'm just going to use this one because my Zippo's sort of out of juice. You light it. And it just makes sparks. Also, when you light the smaller lighter again that you used the flint with, it's going to, like, shoot out sparks. I don't know if you can see them that well. You can also use two smaller lighters. Use my Zippo. Grind it up. Light a lighter. And just don't. I shouldn't get much that time. Got a couple. You know? Okay, thank you. Subscribe and do all the other stuff that a lot of people always do.